The Patriotic Front reaffirms its original stand on the conditions and objectives for the transfer of power. In consultations during recess and at the resumption of discussions in Geneva in January, the Patriotic Front will assert its stand more vigorously to ensure the total defeat of any further conspiracies to install a puppet regime in Zimbabwe and guarantee the advent of genuine independence to Zimbabwe through struggle and sacrifice. The Patriotic Front wishes to make it abundantly clear that the adjournment of the conference has been brought about by the failure of the British government and its protege, the Rhodesian racist regime, to come out with any concrete proposals for a transitional government.
I think that a great deal of useful work has been done in clarifying the positions of the various delegations, particularly on the structure of the interim government. There are certain common threads on the nationalist side which have clearly emerged. First of all, there's a desire that the interim period should be a relatively short one. Secondly, there's general agreement that certain processes are necessary, including, and I emphasize this, including the holding of elections immediately prior to independence. Thirdly, there seems to be a general feeling that the United Kingdom should in one form or another now get involved in the interim government more directly than was the case perhaps some 8 weeks ago. For the British government, therefore, the position is now infinitely clearer than it was when we started, and the possible way forward is now more apparent.
The conference, far from having brought a solution nearer, has in fact had the effect of driving it further apart. I believe in large measure this can be attributed to the wrong handling of the conference from the beginning. Now, I'm not here having a crack at Mr. Richard, the chairman of the conference, but I am expressing criticism of the whole British policy in this regard.